All right, guys. So you are welcome to my YouTube channel at Signal Lord. The name is Gabriel Orirator, and we have been on gold for a while, talking about the pattern and everything I've seen. Trump has been elected, and everything has been transferred to him. All power and everything has been given to Trump to be able to execute, to do anything he wants to do. All right. So now, in this video, we are going to be looking at what the price of gold will eventually be at the end of the day. Over the night, for traders, if you are very careful and if you are very watchful, you would have seen that there's been some series of moves in the market, and gold was just there looking at what will happen. Gold was just there flying up and down, but majorly gold is flying. Now, before I will buy gold, I just need it to come and rest on this moving average. And after resting on it, pew! Now, gold is expected to get to 3,000 price level. For those that knows how price movement very well, gold at some point was all the way down to 2310, and from there, gold is rallying back up. Currently, is at 2719, and we are expecting the price of gold to hit 3,000 price level. But then, before that will happen, before it will happen, let's see how gold has been moving. So here you see that it did not even respect my trend line, which is our triangle pattern, even though there was a bearish engulfing pattern on the daily time frame at the point of intersection, but there was no respect for this resistance that we have. So the next possible place where we think gold should be having issues, okay, where we think gold should be having issues, you see the next point of bearish engulfing, which is somewhere around here. Sorry, somewhere around here. Let me drag this up to this point. So please, you can look out to sell, but I will advise before you sell, hmm, ensure that you have enough money in your account. Okay, because what you want to do is going to, it's going to be a risk trade. It is more advisable to be buying gold than to be selling gold right now. More advisable to be buying it than to be selling gold. So if gold had broken our triangle pattern that we have, so definitely we're expecting the price to hit somewhere around 2786. So if eventually price can hit 2786, you see the way price has been rising, rising, and rising. So if it goes back to 2786, then gold should fly to 28. And from 28, let there be a retracement before gold will continue to go up. All right. So now, why am I sharing this video with you? Reason being for the fact that a whole lot of traders are looking out to trade gold. And let me quickly extend this. Let me extend this. In as much as gold is at the resistance currently, but I would not want to take too much chances. All right. Okay, but remember I said look out for a sell in as much as price will fall a bit. So look out for a buy instead of a sell. All right. Price will fall a bit, but look out for a buy. So let it fall. Anything that takes it back to 2624, then you are good. All right. I hope this video add a bit to your knowledge, and I hope you were able to gain one or two things from this video. Please like this video, share this video. All right. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for joining this short session on XAUUSD. All right. Look out for my next video on gold. Thank you.